Before anyone starts trucking down the highway, it's good to know the height of your load. Otherwise, your transportation plans could come to a crumbling, screeching, shocking halt. The easiest way to prevent that is with this week's featured product, the 20-foot telescopic measuring stick from Incom Manufacturing. This simple and lightweight measuring stick allows the user to get the height of basically anything, from loaded cargo, low-hanging wires, and even signboards. It can even help with finding the correct clearance for tunnels, bridges, or those oh-so-sneaky garage doors. With imperial markings labeled against the high-vis orange paint, measurements are easily seen with a full extension of 20 feet. You'll be hard-pressed to find something that you can't get the height of. Made from a non-conductive fiberglass material, there's no risk of accidental shockies when the measuring stick grazes a live overhead wire. And once you're done getting an accurate height reading, it folds down to 58 inches in length and is neatly stored in its own fabric carrying case. So don't guesstimate if your load will fit under that bridge or not, and get the proof needed with this week's featured product, the 20-foot telescopic measuring stick from Incom Manufacturing. Have you ever seen a situation where someone should have used one of these measuring sticks? Let's chat about it in the comments, and make sure to check back on the channel for more featured products. Thanks for stopping by.